Navigate to maneuvers from the main menu bar. Select Suction Support. Set FiO2 for pre-oxygenation and post-oxygenation using the slider or the plus and minus buttons. Click the Start button. This will initiate pre-oxygenation for up to 2 minutes. Disconnect the patient within 2 minutes. The ventilator will automatically detect the disconnection, stop breath delivery, and suppress alarms. Once suction is complete, reconnect the patient. The ventilator will automatically detect the patient's reconnection and begin post-oxygenation for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the ventilation will revert to the original settings, or you can prematurely end post-oxygenation by clicking the Finish button.